Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete multiple pictures in iPhone. So go to photos. Now if you want to delete multiple pictures, you have to select pictures first. So you can see on top right corner a select option beside the three dot icon. Click on this select option. Now select the pictures you want to make delete, or you can select pictures by clicking on a picture and then slide to the right like this, or bottom. It will be select automatically. So now if you want to delete the selected pictures, you must click on bottom right corner a bin icon. You can see, click on this bin icon, then if you click on this delete, your selected pictures will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can delete multiple pictures in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.